Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to check whether a number is prime or not prime using Java. And it is very important concept for beginners and Java learners, especially for the campus placements. Actual prime number is a number that has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. If a number has any other divisors, it's not a prime. Step by step, we'll see the logic. Okay, I have already created a class that is prime check with the class name prime check and also written scanner class for the user input. So we'll write one print statement to take for readability. Enter a number. We'll put this user input number into num. I'm taking a boolean flag to check whether it is prime or not. I'm initializing it to true. And later we'll check if the number is greater than 1 or not. For them I'm writing on if condition. If it is less than or equals to 1, update the flag as false. If not, we'll write on for loop here. It should start from 2. I is equal to 2. I less than or equals to num by 2. And it will increment this one. Why I was written this I less than or equals to num by 2? It should go only up to num by 2 because no number has factors greater than half of itself. For example, if the number is 20, the largest number other than 20 itself that can divide 20 is 10, which is 20 by 2. For any number, a number cannot be divided evenly by something greater than its half. So checking beyond num by 2 is unnecessary. This makes the program with this num by 2, this makes the program faster and more efficient. And we'll write a one conditional check, that is if condition, whether the number is divisible by I or not. If it is divisible, it is not a prime. So we need to set flag to false. Then come out, break. That's it. We'll write a check if it is prime. If it is true, num is a prime number. If not, it's not a prime number. Sorry, not a prime number. We'll try to run this. I'm entering number 7. 7 is a prime number. We'll check another number. I'm entering 10. Sorry, something went wrong. Here I given divided. Should be percentile. Reminder it will check, right? Thank you. Now again we'll check the 10. 10 is not a prime number. Okay, that's all for the session. Please subscribe for the more videos. Please like and share. Thank you.